Yo, what is up guys? Welcome to Boat Party Part 2, alright? But before we get into the fun stuff, I decided that we needed to get in another quick workout because, man, there have been people complaining that I've been picking up too many girls in my videos and not picking up enough weights. Even though I know that if you had two options between Conor Murphy, legendary aesthetic chest workout, and Conor Murphy gets licked by girls, you would pick the Conor Murphy gets licked by girls every single time. But I'm a nice guy, so I decided that we're gonna make everyone happy today. We're gonna lift some weights, then we're gonna go lift some girls. So get ready. Alright, so I've been trying something new, and I don't necessarily recommend it, but I like to test things out. So listen to this, alright? I'm doing chest and then back and legs every other day. So chest, back and legs, chest, back and legs. And you guys might be like, back and legs, like that is way too much. Let me show you how I deal with that. Deadlifts, man, all right, deadlifts. I really don't like deadlifts, but deadlifts are special, man, because they're seriously like the only exercise that works two major muscle groups, all right? Back and legs. So, because it's back and leg day, I'm doing a ton of sets of deadlifts. I do at least 8. All right guys, so deadlifts with a slow eccentric part of the lift is seriously an amazing exercise, man. All right, the first time I did it, I had a soreness in my back that I have never had before. And the reason why no one else does it is because most people are ego lifters, man. All right, they only care about how much weight they can lift. I'm only lifting 255 here, man. This is only 255, but like, you guys gotta remember, when you're trying to build an aesthetic physique, weights are just a tool. It does not matter how much weight you lift. All right, it's just what it's gonna do to your physique. That's one important subject that I talk about in the fuckable physique, all right, is form. I show you guys the form you need to use to build an aesthetic physique, all right, which is not the form that most people use, all right? Most people are ego lifters, but guys, that does not matter, all right? It's about building muscle. It's about building the aesthetics that the girls love. Seriously guys, no joke, I would rather be the weakest guy in the gym and the most aesthetic than the strongest guy in the gym, but less aesthetic, all right? And I think I can speak for most of you guys too, right? Aren't we all working out to get the ladies? Like, ego lifting and lifting a lot of weight, that'll impress your friends, but it won't get you the ladies, you know what I'm saying? So, come on, think about it, weigh your options here. All right guys, listen to this. You guys are gonna be so hyped. All right, so I actually just started training arms again just a little bit. All right, that's why I did the pull downs with my palm facing towards me because it hits biceps just a little more. See, a lot of you guys said that my arms were looking a little small, and I kind of agree. They definitely could look a little bit bigger, but it's a dangerous road, man. These things gain size like crazy, so you guys help me out, man. You guys gotta watch them, all right? Yo, did you see me doing that whole stack? And they said I skipped leg day, bro.
Yeah.
How? I was doing the whole stack, man. Yo, I think legs are like my strongest body part, man. I'm lifting the whole stack. All right, guys, so in my last video, I promised that if 20,000 more of you got my free ebook, Physique Game Changers, I would release Boat Party Part 2. And man, guys, we were not planning on releasing it this early, all right? We wanted the suspense to build up just a little bit more, but man, you guys went and got it super quick. So, you've earned it, guys. Here it is.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you. Feel alive. Make it last forever. Stop in time. Yeah, I'm surrendering. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you.
It happens.
I actually had a girlfriend
I'm
for a
different.
while until, like December. We broke up in December.
Okay.
Yeah.
What was the cause for that? Sorry, if you don't want to get into it.
No, it's cool. Let's get into it. This is fun. She was very insecure and like jealous of what I was doing. Because you know what we do. We have fun. And it was that, and like, I don't know. She really wanted a long-term thing, and like I'm like moving to LA like in a couple months. You know what I mean? It just wasn't gonna work out. So that's kind of why we did it. When was your last relationship?
It ended in December.
It's the same, really? No, at the same time?
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals.
Oh shit.
Great. Look at my wiener down there.
Y'all start dropping the wiener. Wait, I would still eat it, you know, it's dirt. It's not like...
Not be dirt don't hurt.
Oh my god. Oh shit, bro, it's like my nightmare.
I don't know. Dude, should I jump off?
No.
No, wait, why
Wait,
not?
why not,
If I
Bianca?
get a running start, here, watch this. If I get her, there's right, but that's like 3 feet. Like if I jump here, I'm gonna jump really far.
Oh my gosh, Connor, don't do it! Oh my god, you're scared.
Chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you.
Hey, shotgun beer with me,
I
please.
can't, bro. I don't drink, man.
You
The
can.
boat told me it was leaving from 3 days.
Don't listen to this guy.
No, fuck you. It told me it was leaving from 3 days.
Oh my
The
god.
party bus was leaving. We almost got left.
Yeah, dude, we almost
3
got
to
left.
7, not 3 to 8. Don't listen to him.
Oh, my
This
bad.
guy,
1 hour.
you went into
1
the
hour.
fucking forest with that fucking chick. Did some shit happen with the fucking camera?
Nah.
No, no,
Tell me,
no,
Nah, bro.
Hey, he
Alright,
knows.
man.
He
We
knows
gotta
what's
keep
happening.
it PG-13.
I get you.
for the-
I get you.
No, babe, feel the wind.